I have a feeling you're looking for a flashlight. Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be reviewing the Smith & Wesson Galaxy 6 LED flashlight. So if you're searching for a flashlight for aviation use, or even nautical, or just general around the house, I have to say this is actually a really well-built flashlight. Now I don't want to bore you with all the specific technical details of this flashlight.
It's 7 inches long, cold CW batteries, 6 total LEDs.
But what I will say about this is that it's ridiculously simple to use, and it gets its job done of what it's designed to do. Turn on and off a white light and a red light. There's no complicated series of switches and buttons that you have to press to cycle through different things. And I want to talk about its pros and its cons in different applications. General aviation. Say you're flying small single-engine airplanes and you need to do a pre-flight at night. This would be a fantastic flashlight for that for several reasons. Let's go through some of the details on this. First of all, like I said before, it just has the simple on-off button for the white light, okay? And it's definitely bright enough for up-close applications. Say you're looking at struts or the landing gear or anything like that, it's no problem. If you need to look at the top of the tail of your airplane, it can definitely reach up there, but you'd probably want to extend your arm up there to get better exposure of the light onto the different flight surfaces to take a look. And it also has this really cool red feature as well for reading maps. To be honest, I actually feel it's a little bit bright, but it's not bad. You could always use your hand like cupped over it if you wanted to use it in the cockpit. Let's say you're looking at charts or something like that. You could have your hand over it and just like let a little bit of light shine through and it won't be as bright. So like I mentioned before, it holds 2 AA batteries. So if you're using noise canceling headphones that use AA batteries, this is great because say you get rechargeable batteries for your headphones, you can use those same batteries for this flashlight. That way you don't have to keep different types of batteries. It just keeps your life much simpler. Now let's talk about commercial applications for this flashlight. If let's say you're flying big jets and you need to see the top of the 50-foot tail with the white light on and even the red light on, it's not going to illuminate. It's going to be so dim you really can't see really much of anything. I shined this at the top of a, I want to say maybe 35-foot telephone pole, and it barely got to the top, like barely enough to see anything that was going on up there. So I have some footage. Let's take a look at it and see if you can see what it looks like at night. Now, if you're doing your walk around at night, again, professionally, and you're working with an aircraft that maybe has a, I want to say 15-foot tail, then this would be a fine flashlight for that, and it would work very well. But if you're going to be working on something that has a really tall vertical surface, this is not your flashlight. You need something more powerful. I would say, I think actually Smith & Wesson has one that has, I believe, 6 white LED lights, and maybe that one would work better. But if you're looking for a budget aviation flashlight for general aviation, this cost about, I want to say 20 bucks on Amazon. Really good deal. Great design, great features, ridiculously simple to use. So check it out if that's the application you're using it for. For commercial, I would consider something else. Thanks for watching. See you soon.